how to change wallpaper on MacBook Air. And okay guys, here in your MacBook Air, okay, go to System Settings. Here in System Settings on left side, go to Wallpaper. And the wallpaper is set into Ventura Graphic. To change the Ventura Graphic, okay, you can select from option below. So you can select into Dynamic Wallpaper, Light and Dark Wallpaper, or you can select into Picture. In Dynamic Wallpaper, you can see the available option of wallpaper. Here in light and dark wallpaper, so for my example, I select this one. Okay, as you can see the difference of dynamic and light and dark wallpaper. So you can show more by clicking the show all button on the right side of this option. And okay, here the another option of wallpaper, and you can hide again by clicking the show less button. And here in picture, so you can select also from picture. So okay guys, I decide to set the wallpaper into light and dark wallpaper, the grid magenta. And okay, so that's it. We have successfully changed the wallpaper into grid magenta. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully changed the wallpaper on MacBook Air.